Hi guys, this is Bryan the Botanist here for Wellness Wednesday at Live Ultimate, and today we're going to talk about the Ultimate Elixir, a superfood and super green powerhouse. I'm going to explain to you what it is, what the key ingredients are, how to take it daily, and where you can learn more. So basically the Ultimate Elixir is 25 superfoods in a whole food powder, and you take it in the first thing in the morning on an empty stomach to alkalize, detoxify, and nourish your body. It's very important to take it with water on an empty stomach, ideally first thing in the morning, because that's when your body is most going to absorb best these nutrients that you're giving it. So you alkalize best on an empty stomach. You alkalize best first thing in the morning. You alkalize best with pure water. That's how you take the elixir, and it's as easy as 30 seconds to take it. I just did my day one of my 30-day video challenge, and here is my cup that I use. I use a keeper cup, which is metal from Surfrider Foundation, and I put 2 scoops of the Ultimate Elixir in there, which is a greens powder right here, and it's USDA organic. And yes, the Ultimate Elixir is glyphosate residue-free certified. We know about glyphosate, and we are very proud to be USDA organic certified. Please email us with any questions, and we will help you with our lab documents. So you put two scoops in, mix it up, and drink it down. I use a little mixer to make it a little easier. I just took one about 5 minutes ago for my day one of my 30-day challenge, so I'm getting a lot of elixir and nutrients in right now. So what is it? The Ultimate Elixir is 25 superfoods, and they're all nutrient dense. We have 8 organic alkalizing greens: wheatgrass, barley grass, moringa, spirulina, chlorella, alfalfa, kelp, and Klamath Lake blue-green algae. Those are all good at alkalizing and providing a lot of nutrients, chlorophyll for your body. They're basically also good for providing zinc, vitamin C, vitamin A, helping to build collagen naturally internally. I'm going to be talking about that in a beauty nutrients blog today. It also has 4 immune strengthening mushrooms. The mushrooms help with brain function, energy, and immune function. They're known to boost beta glucan levels, are known to boost white blood cell count in your body. They're known to lower blood sugar. They're known to help support so many things your body can struggle with are the mushrooms. We also have herbs like maca, sacha inchi, chia, ginger, turmeric, and black pepper to help activate the ginger and turmeric. Now, these adaptogenic herbs like maca are good for hormonal balance. They're good for fertility. They're good for overall tonifying, which is strengthening the body, helping the body with stress, basically stamina boosters. We also have 6 organic superfruits. We have lucuma, beetroot, camu berry, acai, goji, and acerola cherry. Those are all antioxidant rich, and they provide a colorful blend of phytonutrients like anthocyanins, very colorful plant pigments that are good for your body, just to protect it from pollution, from stress, help get you nutrients you don't normally get in your diet. Those are from the superfruits. And finally, we have an organic enzyme blend that helps your body to digest, assimilate, and absorb the Ultimate Elixir. So cheers, guys, to the Ultimate Elixir, 25 organic, nutrient-dense, and rich superfoods, USDA organic, vegan, kosher, 100% raw, nothing artificial, no sugar added. It's only 35 calories. And it's so easy to drink just first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. And to learn more, please send us an email at bryan@liveultimate.com, BRYAN, or you can send our Instagram or Facebook page a message, and we're happy to do a video or answer your questions. Have a great day, guys. Cheers.